Hey guys, so a very common question I get asked a lot is how do I improve my pickups, whether it's for 2x2 or any other event. Many of us have short events as our main events such as 2x2, Pyraminx and Scube. And all of us want to improve our pickups because they can shave off around 0.2 seconds of our time, which is a huge difference in shorter events. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my biggest tip on how I improved my pickup. Let me give you guys an example. Here's some footage of me doing the WR Scramble back in November 2019. As you guys saw on that solve, the pickup really wasn't that great because I left the cube too far away from the timer. The time on that was a 0.52, which obviously isn't too great for the world record scramble because it wasn't even sub WR. Here's another example of a 4-mover I did back in November 2019. Once again, the time on that wasn't too great. It was a 0.53, which is not amazing considering that didn't even have any double moves or any of that sort. Yet again, I realized that my flaw was that I kept the cube too far away from the timer. So as a couple of months passed and my TPS basically improved, I had started to put the cube closer to me. Here are a couple of clips from January 2020 where I tried out a couple of 4-movers. This first time here was a 0.39 and obviously this was a massive improvement. However, I knew that I could do better. This second clip was a 0.40. Once again, this was an improvement. However, I knew that I could do much better. So as the months passed by, I finally realized that I needed to keep the cube much closer to me. I started doing that and eventually my pickups improved by a lot. Here's a clip of me doing RU R'U' in 0.32. And a clip of me doing the WR Scramble in 0.35. Now I knew I couldn't do much better than this, however I still consider this a massive win for me. I basically improved my times by 0.2 seconds by learning absolutely nothing new. This just goes to show how important it is to drill easy scrambles and record yourself so that you can see your own flaws and see how much you improve over time. So that's about it for my video on how to improve your pickups. Thanks a lot for watching, I hope you guys enjoyed and bye.